Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tina with Tina's Inspired Art. Today we're going to be working on this very cute little canvas, and I have covered it with gold leaf first. It's dried completely, and then I actually shellacked over this so it's not moving whatsoever. And now I am going to do a Botanical Dutch Pour on this itty bitty little canvas. I'm going to be using some really pretty complementary colors. A deep violet purple. This is a light lilac. And a Pebeo Studios iridescent purple. Only 3 colors today, and I am not going to flood my canvas. I'm going to just do my Botanical Dutch Pour with these colors, hoping that my background will just stay as it is, other than having my design on top of this. Let's see if this will work. I've not tried it before. We're going to be doing it together. So let's just get right into it and start with my purple and create a pretty botanical design. I'll have a little focal point about right, I'd say about right here. A little dot right there. I don't need a lot of paint, so I'm going to carefully just draw out my design how I want it. Similar to my larger designs that I do, but with a whole lot less paint. So yeah, let's just keep going now with, I think that design looks pretty good. I'm gonna just go with this kind of it's like a lilac. It's almost got like a blue shade to it too. Just being really careful. This is a great way to just test out colors too on little canvases. But I wanted to test out using a gold background with no base. And then I'm gonna top it off with this iridescent purple. Then you can know if something like this would look great on a larger canvas. And you know, I think I am going to add, I wasn't going to, but I think just a little bit of my iridescent white. Just a little pop of that. I'm hoping when I do my botanical technique that I can drag through and I'll be able to see that gold. So I'm not sure if this will work, but I'm certainly willing to try. And I'm going to be blowing it out with my little air gun here. So yeah, let's just see how it works. Well, I think that design blew out so beautiful. Wow, and the colors really pop off that background like I had hoped. And you really just didn't need a whole lot of paint to do this. I think the mixture of the colors look really pretty. Oh, yeah, this is so fun. Blow that out just a hair. Now we're going to have a little more fun, and I'll just use my paintbrush, the end of my paintbrush, and we'll start designing and incorporating my botanical technique to it. Let's see. Start right here. Hopefully this will dry really pretty. I definitely will show you at the end of this video, and we'll see if we do something in addition to this one, because maybe I'll play around and want to do something fun, and then you guys can see what I'm gonna do. But I think that's so pretty. It's real delicate looking. You could just put it on a little windowsill or something. Super cute. So yeah, I'm just going to look over this, observe it, and see if I need to do anything more to it. Hey everyone, I'm back and I wanted to show you the close-up. Look how cute she looks. There you are. A Botanical Dutch Pour on gold leaf. I did it. Let's see and hope that this dries beautiful. I really think she's not moving, so I can actually pick her up off of this. She's so little. None of the paint's moving, but I'm gonna let her dry and develop and see what she looks like at the end. But you can see how pretty she is with that gold leaf on the bottom. There she is, guys. I hope you have a beautiful week. Until my next video, I'll see you later. Hey everyone, I'm back with these dried results. Oh my goodness. Look how precious. Oh, I'm in love. It's so cute. Everything about it is so adorable. It dried perfect. It didn't move. Oh my goodness, yes. I will be doing more of these cute little ones. They'll make such beautiful little presents. I am definitely going to be doing more, and I'll be doing more with a copper background, a silver background, maybe even a rose gold background with different colors. Comment down below what colors you would like to see on different backgrounds. I would love, love, love to hear from you. And maybe we can have fun together and do more of these little paintings. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. And I've already done my next one. And it's going to have a copper background, and it's right next door to this one, and it's still drying. You can get a little sneak peek right there. That's all I'm showing you for now, but let's enjoy this one for now, and I can't wait so you can see the next one I have. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, guys, I hope you have a beautiful rest of your week. And until my next video that's coming out, I'll see you later. Bye for now.